Just another day of landscaping our house. This is a maple tree, Armstrong maple. It's about 10 foot tall. So we've got it up here in the front so we can get it home. Here we are planting our maple tree. Hi everybody, this is Rob of Rob's Words, and I want to give you a life hack today with how to dig a hole that's deep instead of wide. Let's say that you have a bed with lots of gravel, decorative rock, and you have something like a spruce that you're wanting to plant, and you don't want to have to dig extremely wide. If you come over here, I'll show you that what we've done here is first you put down a tarp, and you can use a pick, but watch what happens with a pick. You end up approaching at about a 45-degree angle, so you're gonna have to make the hole much larger with a pick. Here's the hack I'd like to show you. This is available through True Temper, and what it is, it's a very popular tool in Africa. We used to be missionaries in Africa. They use these for digging out wells. It has a blade here. It has a tamping side that's real heavy. This thing's about 20 to 25 pounds. And you can tamp it down, but watch closely what happens here, why you can keep this very tight. Instead of 45-degree approach, you're digging, hitting the sides of this thing, knocking off swaths of dirt just where you need it. And it goes down deep instead of wide, so I can pull all that extra dirt out, take my conifer, put it in, put the dirt off the tarp, gravel back in without making a wide hole. So this is a hack for digging deeper instead of wider in a decorative bed.
Hey! Oh, 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 na 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 no. Hey! Go deep, not wide. Son, dig that hole. But be advised, you ain't no more. And if you dig that hole too deep, you spend the night in African sleep. Oh, 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 na 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 na. Oh, 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 na 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 na. Oh.